concrete can be a bit drab. So today we're taking a concrete porch and converting it to pavers and giving it a little bit of a spice, if you will, so that it's not so drab. So we got our materials set here in the driveway right now. We're gonna be using this landscape step, and I'll show you where it is. We're gonna be using this landscape step in the backyard. And then around the edge, just to give it a little bit more interest, we're using this coping stone. This is typically used around like pools or stairs or something, but we're using it around the whole patio in the back. And then we've got our pavers here, and you kind of see like this has some brown flecks in it, and it has gray. So this is all gray with some flecks. And then we're doing a circle kit, which is made out of these darker gray pieces there. So I'm gonna take you guys in the back and I'm gonna show you how this is gonna be laid out and what it's going to look like when we're done. It's pretty tight access. So we've got our boards laid out so that our wheelbarrow can just kind of come straight back here and not leave massive ruts as we come back to this backyard. So here's the porch. Like I said, it's kind of drab. Not very interesting. So what we're gonna do is right here on this edge, and then on this edge, we're gonna build a circle kit, and that circle kit's gonna come out and around. It's gonna be really cool. It's almost like an inlay. And then we're gonna be doing the same thing right here. There'll be a circle kit right in front of this door, just to make it pop and make it interesting. Then our coping stone will go all the way around all these columns. And then we're gonna do the pavers in a herringbone. So if you know kind of like the herringbone where it's back and forth on the 90s, we're gonna actually do this herringbone pattern on a 45. So instead of the pavers being kind of square to the whole patio, we're actually gonna do all the pavers on a 45 herringbone. Again, all this is just kind of about adding some interest, making this more interesting, and making it feel a little bit more homey back here. I'm excited to show you guys what it looks like on the other side. Thanks for watching.